What's up guys, the G from my garage here, and today I got my Mustang, and I'm meeting up with a few more homies. I think Andres is pulling up, and then Nico's gonna pull up, and then we're all gonna pull up to Cars and Coffee. It's actually not Houston Cars and Coffee, it's actually Towne Cars and Coffee, which is, it has about 5.6K people on Facebook going, so I mean there's a lot of people that are going to be there, but it's just not Houston Cars and Coffee. It'll just be at a different location. So yeah, we're going to pull up to that, and that's it. I'm pulling up. Hey, the house. Oh, what's good? Hey, let's get it, 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 let's get it. I'm about to roll out. Got the whole squad. Got the whole squad. Waiting for Daniel with the Supra. Yeah, man, this bitch chopping. This bitch is chopping. This bitch is chopping. Let's get it. Hopping in the line like a top with a white wine. Alexander Wayne Gucci.
Compliment, focus, I can't acknowledge this. The guy that can't transform overnight. Feel like I was just getting rid of my rights. The guy that ain't sitting on the.
Nah, love boots though. Yeah, bro. What the hell? I don't know, but I've never been to this Cars and Coffee. Really? It is really nice, yeah, bro. I fuck with it. Is that Lupra?
Guys, it's one bad 2JZ.
Is that Lupra?
Hey, what's up, dude?
That's a Lupra. Up to something? What's this? What's going on over here? Alex, what's going on? What's going on over here?
Checking out this car, man.
Bro, what the fuck?
Look at this Pro Charger right here. Hit it.
Hey. Well, it got nitrous outlet written everywhere, so there it is. Damn. Dude, who is, they're just peeling out. But damn, they got, this dude is not playing, goddamn.
LS706 and dream one day.
Dang, you ain't even looking at the Viper. Yeah, dude, these things are, oh, I want, yeah, bro. Dream car, right here. For sure, not. Mine.
Golf covers, man.
I would have had his bitch at.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Why buy a car like that if you're not gonna do anything with it? Dog in the back. Damn. That dude is fucking his clutch. Sound loud. Oh, it is a diesel. What the fuck? Nah. It's a. That bitch is not. What? car with it.